In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website for free using Replit. We're keeping this simple and practical so you can go from idea to a live link in just a few minutes. Replit is a browser-based platform that lets you create and host apps or web pages without installing anything, and it can generate a starting point for you from a written prompt. From the Home tab, look for the space where you can describe what you want to build. This is your prompt area. Type a clear, detailed description of your site or app. The more specific you are, the better the initial result will be. For example, mention the purpose of the site, the sections you want, the style or color palette, any important text you want included, and whether you need simple interactivity like a contact form or a gallery. Think of your prompt as instructions to a helpful builder. What should the home page say? What buttons should exist? And how should it look overall? Don't worry if you're not sure about every detail right away. You can add more prompts afterward to refine the layout, adjust wording, change colors, or tweak features. This back and forth is normal. Try short, clear follow-ups like make the header smaller, add a testimonials section, or use a lighter background. Each prompt helps fine-tune the result without starting over. As you iterate, take a moment to skim the generated content and layout. Make sure headings make sense, links go where they should, and any placeholder text is replaced with your own copy. If something looks off, guide the system with one more prompt rather than making vague changes. Clarity saves time. When you feel your site is ready for others to see, click Publish at the top right. Publishing takes your current version and hosts it so it's accessible on the web. Give it a moment to process. Once it's done, you'll get a default URL. This is a live link you can open right away to test your site in a new tab. Use that default URL to check how your site looks and behaves on different devices and browsers. Try refreshing if you've just updated it, and remember that small changes may take a moment to appear. If you spot something you want to improve, go back, adjust your prompt, and publish again to update the live version. Avoid adding any sensitive information to public pages, and that's all there is to it. Describe what you want on the Home tab, refine with a few targeted prompts, click Publish, and test your site using the default URL. You now have a free, live website built with Replit.